Hey guys, what's up? My name is A. I'm a PC newbie.
And I'm Alex, and I'm definitely not.
Today we're gonna do an unboxing video of the Corsair mechanical keyboard. This is my first step into a PC build.
First marking exception.
Peasants over here. And before we get into it, we're just gonna have Alex explain a little bit about what the keyboard's about.
Alright, so the keyboard that A got was the K70 RGB Corsair Cherry MX Red. The only difference between this one and the K95 is that the fact that it has no macros, and then the difference between this one and the K65 is that all the keys on the K70 are mechanical switches. The MX Red is the one that usually gaming FPS people buy because they have no tactile feedback, so it's like you make quick presses for all the respect on the F key. The blue one provides some tactical feedback, actually a lot of tactical feedback, if I remember right. And the brown one has a little less. I personally own a brown version of the Logitech G710 Plus with some O-rings, so it's a lot quieter. But let's get to it.
This keyboard's usually around 150. I got the refurbished kind, so you guys will get to see both a refurbished keyboard and see if it's really worth the investment or not.
Alright, as you can see over here, that's the K70 RGB. Alright, let's get through this.
I told him not to rip it because I'm a big box freak.
Alright, here's the baby.
Oh my.
Okay, as you see, it has a super nice tethered cord.
Looks thick.
Yeah. And it has multiple USB ports over there. Do you see that? I think.
I do.
Yeah, over there.
You want some
I'll
help?
pick it up,
You
yeah.
got it? Okay, you got it.
Yeah, you have multiple here, one for backlighting, and then, the other one's just for normal USB import. Here's the wrist pad. Pull this thing out. Alright. No wrist pad. It works. For yourself. Alright.
Alright, so we just finished unwrapping it. It looks like a normal keyboard from what I've seen, but I haven't had a chance to really type on it. I'll let Alex say some stuff about his experience with these kinds of keyboards.
Alright, well, as you see, pretty loud. But, so in comparison, I have a G710 Plus, like I mentioned earlier, and mine are the brown switches, and I can tell the difference already about how quick in response the keys are. Mine have a little I can feel it when I'm pressing down a little harder. This one really doesn't have anything at all. And I know that in Reds they don't have actuation points. But the biggest difference between this and the Logitech one that I own is, man, it feels like a nice piece of material. Because I know the Logitech one is made of plastic on the outside. Like, it's nice plastic, but I'm not sure. Is it made of? It makes it almost feel like metal.
Yeah.
I don't know. I know it has a lot of weight to it. Mine's bigger. It's the full. It has macros inside everything, but it feels less weighty. Has a really nice texture volume thing. I know these are really. It's really useful to have that just to quickly turn up down the line. You don't have to go over to it, and then nice little multimedia keys, which are great for. I'm pretty sure they work in editors also, which is great for A, because he's gonna be video today. But it's great when you're playing a game, something like Civ 5 or something. You can just go through your music without even having to navigate off the screen, because they usually work off screen.
I already love it.
Now you see hit the lock key here. That's for when you're in a game, it'll turn off your Windows key, so you don't accidentally tab on that. And obviously this is the brightness thing. If we had it hooked up to a computer, we'd be able to show off the custom colors, which is what a lot of people love about these things, is the RGB part of it. So
I'll update that later when I actually get my PC built. But I just wanted to pretty much just check out what the keyboard was like beforehand, and I think I'm gonna be really happy with it. Can't wait to start texting, typing. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you around later.
Makes typing on a membrane keyboard fatiguing. You have to go all the way down to activate it and have the letter you're typing appear on the screen. Browns are the first switch we're showing you. They're a little bit lighter than blues, where there is an activation bump. You can feel it. So all the
I got it to work, guys. Yay. Thanks to my friend Alex and his Oh, Lenovo. That was
Oops,
MSI Masters.
I turned it off.
Oh! Way to go!